Full complete sound system on this puppy. All Alpine and kicker. I'll show you guys what we did, what's in this truck. Alright guys, so first of all, we replaced all the speakers using Alpine type R's. 6x9s in the front, 6.5s on the rears, along with the Alpine 11-inch screen. Real nice stereo, really nice and flush, really great. Okay, we also added the kicker subwoofer box. Look how nice and clean that box looks though. Super clean. Your seats go down nice and easy, right? Nice and clean, nice and flush, not in the way. Really well set up. The amplifiers are behind the seats. I'll show you guys the amps that we did. That way you guys can see what we did on it. Right on here, we got the epicenter from audio control and the kicker bass knob to control your amplifiers. Let's go ahead and pop open the hood. This here is a 2018 Chevy 1500. Really beautiful truck. We added power steps to it. We hooked up the tow mirrors on it. We had to cut the fenders a little bit to fit these big old wheels on here. We did the custom headlights amber delete. We wrapped a few little parts here. But check out the inside here. Single battery, amp research, 400 amp alternator, big 3 upgrade, 0 gauge power wire, battery isolator for the second battery, big fuse blocks. Everything is mounted on here nicely. We got the original GM battery tray for that. So it's gonna look good and it's gonna sound amazing. I'll let you guys hear it right now. Give me a second. You're gonna start to sprinkle. Here in town, it's a little dirty because of the rain. Now, when you do the big 3 upgrade right on the battery, that's gonna help your battery voltage and all that good stuff. There's no lights on for your battery, nothing like that. No engine noise. Very important, no engine noise whatsoever. I mean, on the speakers at least. We did replace the dash speakers with the Infinity reference. Let's just give you guys a little sound test. This radio is really nice because you have so much functions on it. And look at the voltage on this puppy. Huh? That's not gonna drop at all. Everything works. Backup camera, backup sensors, steering wheel controls work. The works, guys. This is a really good setup. We got some cables in here that are going to be for USB, HDMI, and all that good stuff. Let's see. Hopefully, we can get a nice little sound out of this. Here.
And the #1 reason.
Backstage.com. Cumplir con mi misión.
Go to topdoglaw.com.
I don't have my cable hooked up. You know what? I won't even do it because I know I'm going to get a copyright and I probably won't be able to download this video. But take my word when I tell you that this setup is fantastic.
I know it's late, but I need to pick it up.
Here's what I'll do. I'll end it and do another video. Never mind. Just contact us here at T's Garage if you guys want something like this done. Woo!